You machining intelligently? Modular SUMO-CHAM Drills. Introducing the new Modular SUMO-CHAM Drills with a multi-master connection for easy adaptation and setup. This groundbreaking innovation from ISCAR is set to revolutionize the drilling industry. Designed to provide unparalleled ease of use and versatility, the modular SUMO-CHAM drill with a multi-master connection offers quick and effortless change for both drill heads and drill bodies. This means you can adapt and adjust the tool to fit diverse machines and various drilling applications. One of the key highlights of this new drill line is its ability to eliminate setup time. With no need for time-consuming adjustments, you can start drilling right away, saving you valuable time and increasing productivity. Another remarkable feature is the internal coolant system. This ensures optimal cooling and lubrication during the drilling process, enhancing tool life and performance. The modular design of the SUMO-CHAM drill also offers customization and flexibility in terms of length and diameter. You can easily tailor the tool to meet your specific drilling requirements. The SUMO-CHAM drill line is compatible with a wide range of standard multi-master shanks and adapters. This means you can seamlessly integrate these drills into your existing tooling setup. But that's not all. The new SUMO-CHAM drill can accommodate any of the SUMO-CHAM drilling heads. Whether you're drilling with ICP, ICK, ICM, ICN, FCP, ICG, HCP, QCP, this drill has got you covered. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the new modular SUMO-CHAM drills with a multi-master connection for easy adaptation and setup. Visit ISCAR's website to learn more and watch a short video showcasing the features of this incredible tool.